shout out Old 18 Defense, and we'll see how this goes.
Yeah.
What's up, trekkers? We're back.
Oh.
Whoa.
I'll catch you up.
Okay. Good. Start over. Holster! Good job. Hey! Alright, shift. Off the corner. Scan that space out there. Yep, you got one there and you got one behind him. Those have lights on them, so you'll know. Hey! One more. Yep. Got a light. Oh, no way.